When shopping online, everything looks so simple: browse a product, add it to the cart, pay, and wait for delivery. But behind that seamless experience lies a carefully designed workflow that developers and system architects need to model before a single line of code is written. That's where activity diagrams come in, helping teams visualize the flow of user actions and system responses clearly and effectively. An activity diagram is a type of UML diagram that represents workflows of stepwise activities and actions, including decisions, parallel processes, and outcomes. In the case of an e-commerce system, it's the perfect way to map how a customer interacts with the platform, from browsing items to completing a purchase. These diagrams aren't just helpful for developers, they are valuable for business analysts, project managers, and even stakeholders who want a quick, easy-to-understand picture of how the system works. Now, how can this be done quickly without spending hours tweaking shapes or aligning arrows? That's where EdrawMax becomes a powerful solution. EdrawMax provides a wide variety of UML templates that allow anyone to create professional activity diagrams with just a few steps. Instead of starting from scratch, you can leverage ready-made shapes, connectors, and layout tools to accelerate your work. Let's go through the process of creating an activity diagram for an e-commerce system using EdrawMax. The first step is starting a new drawing. In EdrawMax, simply go to New, select Blank Drawing, and you'll have a fresh canvas ready for design. This is where all the actions and flows of the e-commerce process will be visualized. Next comes placing the elements. Begin with the Start node that represents the beginning of the workflow. Then, drop in user actions such as browsing products, adding items to the shopping cart, and moving forward to checkout. Decisions are key in activity diagrams, so include diamond-shaped nodes for moments like "Is the payment successful?" or "Did the user confirm the order?" Finally, remember to add an end node to indicate the completion of the process. Once the structure is in place, it's time to style the diagram. EdrawMax makes this easy with a variety of formatting tools. Rounded corners, soft colors, and clear spacing make the diagram not only functional but also visually appealing. A clean diagram ensures that even non-technical viewers can follow the logic without confusion. After styling, the next step is connecting the flow. Use arrows to link every action and decision, showing the sequence a customer goes through. For example, from add to cart to proceed to payment, followed by the decision node that branches into either order confirmed or payment failed. This flow highlights both successful and unsuccessful outcomes, making the diagram complete and realistic. Labeling is the part that truly makes the diagram readable. Each node should be labeled with clear, concise text that describes the action or decision. Avoid long sentences, short phrases work best. Once everything is labeled, the diagram becomes a practical communication tool that can be shared with the team. Finally, when the diagram is ready, export it as a JPG or PNG. This way, it can be inserted into presentations, project documentation, or even shared during meetings. EdrawMax supports multiple export formats, making collaboration seamless across platforms. With these steps, creating an activity diagram doesn't have to feel overwhelming. By combining professional templates, intuitive tools, and flexible export options, EdrawMax makes it easy to design diagrams that are both functional and visually engaging. Visible thinking, efficient expression. Start mapping your workflows today with EdrawMax.